The easiest way to lose weight, magical weight loss drink, 99% effective. Welcome friends. Today's video is one of our most highly requested topics, the magical weight loss drink. Earlier, we've made many videos on weight gain, but we received countless comments from brothers and sisters asking us for weight loss tips. So today's video is truly special. Why is it special? Because this drink is super simple to make and 99% effective, especially for those who want to lose weight quickly. This magical drink will boost your metabolism, helping your body burn fat faster than usual. And the best part, if you follow this routine regularly, you won't need to do any difficult exercises or follow a strict diet. All you need to do is drink this mixture daily. First, take a clean, empty pan. Add 300 to 400 milliliters of water into it. Boil the water well for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the water is boiled, turn off the gas. Now add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the hot water. Yes, cinnamon, the same spice you use in your kitchen. Mix it well so the powder dissolves completely. Pour the mixture into a separate container and let it cool down. Once cooled, add 2 teaspoons of honey to it. Mix well. Now you're probably thinking, how should I drink it? 3 o'clock. How to drink. Drink it twice a day. Once in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast. Once at night before going to bed. If you follow this for just 3 to 4 days, you'll start seeing noticeable weight loss results. And remember, you don't need any extra dieting or workouts to make this work. Just be mindful of a few small things. Avoid eating too much junk food, especially deep-fried or overly salty snacks. Try to stick to homemade, light meals during this period. If you follow these simple tips and keep drinking this magical mix every day for 3 to 4 days, you'll see great results, naturally and easily. Movie camera. That's it for today's video. My dear friends, if you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our little channel for more useful and simple home remedies and health tips. I'll see you again very soon with another helpful and powerful video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching.